we are going to see anonymous expansion of water. When water is heated, now I have made two graphs. One is volume versus the temperature. The other is density versus temperature. If you see in your book, some of the books they have made it volume in gram per centimeter cube, but this is basically density and this is volume. And you know that density is equal to mass upon volume. Means density and volume are inverse of each other. If volume increases, the density decreases, and if the density increases, the volume decreases. So this is what we are going to apply and see the anonymous expansion of water. When the water is heated from 0 to 4 degrees centigrade, its volume decreases and is minimum at 4 degrees centigrade. So here you see when the water is being heated from 0 to 4 degrees centigrade, the volume is decreasing, and at 4 degrees centigrade it is minimum 1 centimeter cube. Okay, vice versa, when the volume is decreasing, the density of that water is increasing, matlab wo heavy ho raha hai, right? So here what we see is that when the temperature is increasing from 0 to 4, here the volume decreases and the density increases. And when we are heating it further, again the volume starts increasing and the density starts decreasing, right? So particularly here, what I want to tell you is that whenever heat is given to a body, the body expands. The body expands here. Okay, expansion means matlab the density it is decreasing and the volume is increasing. But in the case of water, particularly from 0 to 4 degrees centigrade, just the opposite is happening. From 0 to 4 degrees centigrade, what you see, the volume is decreasing, and after that it is increasing when you are again giving it more temperature, which is quite contrary to the other material or other liquids, you can also say. So hence it is known as anonymous. Anonymous means a typical behavior of water. इसीलिए इसको बोला गया है, because again I am repeating that whenever you are heating a body, it is becoming, you can say, lighter, हल्की होती जाती है, which means the density it decreases and the volume it increases. But here what is happening? The volume is decreasing and the density is increasing, and hence it is known as your anonymous expansion of water. And because of this, there are many practical examples. इसको आप अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द नेचर कह सकते हैं, इसको आप अरेंजमेंट ऑफ गॉड कह सकते हैं, बेसिकली टू कीप द aquatic animals safe. Now kaise, I'll tell you a little later. So these are the two graphs which you need to know. And what I was explaining about this graph was, when water is heated from 0 to 4 degrees, its volume decreases and is minimum at 4 degrees centigrade. It is further heated, then it expands. ऊपर जा रहा है. This unusual expansion of water is called anonymous expansion of water. Now this is the graph plotted in between. This graph has to be taken down. Either you take it down from the board or you take it down from your book itself. The graph is important. Now we are having small examples, and the most important example is that you must have observed, if you not observed then you have seen in Geographical Channel and all, that no matter the water, the surface of the water is having ice, पूरा ice जमा है, but still नीचे जो होता है वहाँ पानी होता है, and the aquatic animals are